Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to find CapCut ID. Let's go. CapCut is an all-in-one creative platform powered by AI that enables video editing and image design on browsers, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. First of all, open the CapCut app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Here, you will see your user ID if you are logged into your account. If you have not signed in, then you have to create your account. Also, you can set or change your profile from here. Tap on your profile picture. Then at the bottom, you will see Change. Tap on Change. Now you can choose any photo from the gallery that you want to use as your profile picture. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.